Yes, I am Khushi Jain
Okay.
from Mungeli, and I
Yeah,
completed
continue.
my schooling from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Mungeli, and now I am currently pursuing BTech from Government Engineering College, Raipur in Civil Engineering.
All right, Khushi, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening music, watching YouTube videos, and many more. I like painting even.
Do you like listening music? What kind of music do you like listening?
Not any specified music. I can listen any music, like which has good lyrics with good tuning, good vocals, anything, sir.
Okay. Khushi, is there a problem turning on your video?
Sir, I'm more comfortable like this.
More comfortable like this. If you won't try a change, how would you know what you're more comfortable in?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, but can I do it? I will do it. I'll try next time.
All right. Okay. Sorry, I didn't listen. Which kind of music do you like the most?
Sir, any kind of music, not specific, which has good lyrics and good tuning.
Any specific artist, singer you listen the most?
No, sir, no.
Okay. So there's no drama. Any other hobby you have?
Not as such, sir. I like reading even. Reading books.
Reading books.
Sometimes reading blogs.
Okay. Any blog you read recently?
Recently, I read the blog. You asked a question then that when Lord Rama celebrated his first Diwali, so I just currently searched it on Google and found the answer. It was a good question, sir.
Okay. So that is a blog you list, right? And which was the book you read last recently?
Book, sir, it's not any specific. Like I just go on Google and read blog. Not any specific book, sir.
Okay. Apart from this Google search, which blog did you read recently?
Apart from this, I have read today a blog about communication. I got an assignment, so I was completing that. A good communication, how we can.
Good communication. Okay. So can you please tell me what was that? What was the essence of the blog? How could we improve our communication? What do you mean by good communication?
Good communication means to deliver what you want to share very effectively, like the other person will understand it completely, and it should be clear what you want to say. That's all, sir. You should be very precise on the things you want to say to the other person,
All right.
and you should have. Yes, sir.
Okay. From which topic do you want me to ask questions from?
Technology or little bit politics even I know. So anything.
International politics or national politics?
National.
Okay. So national politics. Let's say uh, West Bengal. Why do you believe BJP lost in West Bengal?
Uh, Sir, West Bengal, in West Bengal, BJP lost. The people of West Bengal are very, I think most of the people are very happy with Mamata Banerjee's rule over there, and BJP did a very good job because earlier they were not even getting that much votes, but now they are getting. But they lost because the connection is somewhere lost between the Bengalis and the BJP members. I think they did a good promotion, but I think people are happy with Mamata Banerjee there.
All right. And which is your favorite political leader?
Sir, in India, Arvind Kejriwal, sir.
Arvind Kejriwal. Can you tell me some good works he has done for Delhi?
Yes, sir. So Marshals is one such thing which is very good for Delhi, and certificates for girls and women, that is even good. Sir, there is Mohalla Clinic in Delhi. That is even very good action from the government itself. And there's one more scheme which is running on Delhi. Sorry, two more schemes I know. First one is, sir, if any accident happen, so if in the golden hour, that is 1 hour or 1.5 hours, if you take the victim of the accident to hospital, like people reject taking the victim to the hospital just because of the financial reason. But if you take them into hospital and save the life of the person, so the government will be paying the money, all the charges, all the hospital charges. And the second one, sir, for exams like JEE and NEET, if you don't have money, if you're not financially that well, so government will even provide you scholarship, and you can study in whichever like institutions you want to study, government will take all the responsibility. And their
Alright.
water system is even improving. Lights, roads, everything is fine. Pollution is the only problem, I think.
Okay. So you said that Arvind Kejriwal has worked in the healthcare system of Delhi, but we have seen that in this second wave of COVID, Delhi suffered a lot. Like oxygen was not available, health infrastructure was not up to the mark. What was the possible reason why Delhi couldn't handle the second wave of COVID effectively?
So the basic reason I think is the density. Population density is so high in Delhi. It is about 2.5 crores in just a small area. And about oxygen deficiency, oxygen is not made in Delhi. That should be imported from other states as well. When they know that they don't have oxygen, they in just 1 week they assembled three oxygen plants in Delhi. So yeah, but coronavirus is something we can't have control in it. It's just spoiling the lives of people we don't know from where. So that cannot be controlled well.
Okay. My last question to you is: there are twins who are born in May, but their birthday come in June. How is that possible?
Born in May. I think May is a place somewhere in Uttar Pradesh. This is a UPSC question, I think. I have.
All right. Okay. Okay. Nama ma'am.
Yes. Khushi, my first question to British rule in India was advantageous for us, and if yes, explain how.
Sorry, ma'am, I am not able to hear you.
Yeah, I'll repeat it. Do you think British rule in India was advantageous for us? Explain how.
I don't think British rule is advantageous. They did good in the education system. They built bridges which are working now even. But I think that people should have their freedom to speak and their freedom to do whatever they want to do. So that is not in time of Britishers. I think democracy is best for India.
So it did some things which were advantageous. The railway system it created, it is till date one of the big assets of India actually.
Yes, ma'am. I completely agree with you. The railway system, they did so good to us, but the freedom is what something which we really need. If we are doing something, if we are not doing something from our heart, so that would not be a good state of mind is very necessary, I think.
Okay. Tell me about one of your greatest achievements.
Greatest achievement. My greatest achievement. I think getting 93.5 percentile in JEE was my greatest achievement till now.
In JEE?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have a percentile over there? And I mean, what are you doing at GC Raipur? Then you must have gotten an NIT or IIT.
No, ma'am. I have gotten an NIT, but the branches were not what I wanted. So I took GEC. But that was my biggest achievement because I put a lot of hard work beyond my limits, beyond my capabilities. So that is why.
Can you describe yourself in 3 adjectives?
3 adjectives. I am truthful, I am livable, and I am caring.
Okay. Thank you, Khushi.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much.